Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studio, and today we have the pleasure in reviewing Samsung's 8 series UE48JS8500 curved 3D 4K ultra high definition LED TV. Now, this high specification TV is from Samsung's S range of 4K TVs released in 2015. The S range comes with nano crystal technology for a wider colour gamut. It's got high dynamic range compatibility and the Tizen Smart TV interface, which for Samsung is new for 2015 too. Now, as you unpack this TV, the quality is tangible. The TV is well made and it's heavy, which is probably due to all the electronics packed inside, and the stand impresses too, and together they produce a very classy look. Now, purists believe that flat is best, but we love the look of those curves, and there's a One Connect mini box to help minimise wire clutter too, so it's a nice look all round. Picture wise, it's stunning. Samsung have excelled themselves with this 120Hz edge-lit LED display, and the nano crystal technology produces pristine whites which help each colour to have more brightness and depth when required, and the blacks somehow look even blacker. The Auto Depth Enhancer gives a real 3D feel to background scenery and add a sprinkle of fantastic 8 million pixel 4K detail and excellently handled movement, and you have a mind-blowing combination. Upscaling from non-4K signals is probably the best around, and the PQI of 1900 really helps too. There's a 22 millisecond input lag, which is fantastic for 4K, and there's improved active 3D with upscaling. Strangely though, there's no 3D glasses included. The Tizen user interface is used on Samsung's mobile devices for easy link up and endless possibilities, and that's just a start. Let's take a look. Okay, let's look at the source menu first. This is where you'll find all the things connected to your TV, either remotely or directly. There are 4 HDMI connections, composite components showing up there. These are the USBs, a screen mirroring for your devices, very handy to have. We'll look at the 1, 2, 3 menu next, or top menu, whatever you want to call it. There's voice recognition there, where you can command the TV to do what you want it to do using your voice. Lots of options along the top. Now you can even turn it off on the end. Lots and lots of choice there. You can even go on the numerical keypad to pick out your favourite channel number and go directly to it. Next we'll have a look at the Smart Hub, which we've just left this in its basic form. We haven't tailored it at all, but there's a web browser there, USB connections. You can tailor this to suit your own needs, have all your favourite stuff. This is the featured menu, where you can find games and your favourite channels to watch, and iPlayer and whatever. This is the apps screen. Most popular is the subcategory, but you get lots of choices there. YouTube, the BBC iPlayer we've clicked on. It's not downloaded yet, but it's just to show you how easy and what a friendly user interface this Smart Hub has now become. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions and the connectivity. There's an on-stand height of 689mm, the width of the TV is 1084mm, and the stand depth is 309mm. The TV can be wall mounted, and the off-stand height is 633mm, the width is 1084 again, and the depth or the thickness of the TV is 93mm. Connectivity includes RF in, 2 satellite connections with twin tuners. There's component composite, 4 HDMI 2s and 2 USB 2s and 1 USB 3. There's built-in Wi-Fi, LAN, common interface, X-Link, optical audio and headphone stroke speaker out. So summing up, if you need a 48-inch TV with the latest technology, this is a wonderful choice. It looks great, the picture is top drawer, it's high dynamic range compatible, and it's got 2.2 channel front firing speakers that put out 40 watts of quality sound. There's voice and gesture control and face recognition if you add a compatible USB camera, and much, much more. And you can have one in your home tomorrow, free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical, and that's evenings and weekends included.